bowling.
He did go bowling. He smells really good.
He smells...
You interrupted my intro, though. Greetings, Earthlings. I have to say it so I don't get yelled at in the comments. Greetings, Earthlings. We are back. We are opening the Stitch... Feed Me Stitch. I think this is Series 2.
I think this is Series 2.
Yes, and I have not finished Series 2 yet. I will show you which ones I have once I open one of these, so that way you all...
There's a tear to open.
I know, I'm getting there, but the problem is there's tape on top of it. So we're about to struggle, and I'm trying not to...
Please hold. The box is all ready.
Hiya! So we're gonna open up one of them.
They look like a hamburger box.
And it's already a new one. This is
it's Pasta Stitch
with Paschetti on his head.
And a lollipop.
That's not a lollipop, that's a meatball.
Oh, well, hello.
Yeah, I like this one. I don't have him. He's weird. And he has food. Wait, I'll show everybody which ones we can get. And I can tell you which ones I have. Because they're all in my room. And I look at them and say, oh, look how cute.
So which ones do you have?
Okay, I've got that one because I just got him.
Spaghetti.
I've got chicken.
You got fried chicken.
I've got that one.
You got cake.
I've got multiple of
You got a
that
hot
one.
sauce.
I don't know if I have the It's an Avocado, thanks. I think I have bubble tea Stitch and popcorn Stitch. Wait, that's French fries, never mind.
You think.
Yeah. But I'm just gonna be happy because I get more Stitch with food.
All right, please hold. What do you got now?
A Stitch, I think. Maybe it's Angel, we'll find out. It's an angel with a strawberry!
We already got her.
But I have her in a different color. So she's holding a different colored strawberry.
Are you sure you're not looking at Series 2 and Series 3?
I have no idea what I'm doing. We know this. Moving on!
Well, she cute.
She is cute, yes. But we have her, so it's all good.
Next!
Next one! In here we have Lolly. Oh, this is Popsicle Stitch.
I was hoping that was the special edition, but you don't have the popsicle one.
I don't, and I love the different types of plastic. I love that this is like translucent. And I like how he's sticking his tongue on it.
That would be you.
Yeah.
But don't do that in winter.
No, don't do it to a pole either. That's a terrible idea. Watch, you'll shoot your eye out, kid. So this one, these are the only three. I already opened those. We're on to this one. I don't know what's in here, but I think it's Stitch.
Is it?
It is! And it's another new one. He's got quesadilla.
Oh, this is the grilled... No, this is a grilled cheese.
Well, he's still cute. He looks like it's a quesadilla.
This looks
so
like
that's the
you.
American quesadilla.
This looks like you.
What, me with grilled cheese? Yeah, I do that.
You with any type of cheese.
I love cheese.
I don't love you, but you love cheese.
No. Cheese is fine with me. It's not fine with my sibling, but it likes me. All right, next one. This one is Taco Bell Stitch.
Another one that's new.
Exactly.
Dumb luck.
He's got a taco. And I really like him.
This is also you because of tacos.
I love tacos. Anything with food is me.
Yeah, this series was made for you.
Exactly. And then we got our last one here. Let's see which
Who do you think you're going to get?
Oh, it's Sushi Stitch.
And another new one.
So we got all
Hang
new
on.
ones.
We will hold.
Why are we holding?
Because I got to make the whole list. Please hold.
Okay.
Okay, so Rachel got all new ones. And she ordered these online, so no codes, no everything. But she is now only missing the special edition and the French fry stitch, which the special edition is also this really, really cute
It's Angel with the strawberry.
But she's all glittered. Yeah. So what is your thoughts?
I love this series because it reminds me of me.
And now I must hunt 2.
C.
Better than hunting 7.
C.
Bravo.
All right, everybody. Have a wonderful, beautiful rest of your day. I'm going to clean up the mess that I made. Goodbye.